Alright, so this is a 2001 Suzuki Grand Vitara. Alright, so first to start off, you have three screws. You got one right there, you got another one right there, and you have another one right here. They're all going to be Phillips, just like this one. And then it should actually come right off. Like you'll just pull right here after you get those off. Actually, let me see if I can get a tool real quick. Wrong side. So this should just, see, it'll just like flop off basically, and then you'll pull it just apart. Alright, so you got two metal clips in there up towards the steering column. And you have a few clips on the side right here, one, two, and then you have two metal clips that are going to be more difficult to get out, but they'll still come out pretty easily. And you have another clip right here. Alright, so right here, there are just a few wires. You have your 12 volt right here, which is your power. You have your starter right here. Cut that, the car won't start. And then you have your ignition right here, which is black and white. Ignition is black and white. Starter is black and yellow. And power is white, yellow. Alright, so, the horn is that blue black wire right up here that I got attached to this little thing. This is the horn wire right here. It's pretty easy to get to. It's right above the fuse box. Wait, let me just focus on it real quick. Right above the fuse box, it's blue black. It's a negative trigger.